If you're left-handed and want crochet to finally make sense, I'd love to help you. Hi, it's Sandy from Southpaw Crochet Studio. I struggled to learn how to crochet until a left-handed cousin showed me how. That was over 50 years ago, and I've been crocheting ever since. In this video, we're going to talk about turning chains. Turning chains are used to raise your work to the level of the next row of stitches. They help to ensure straight edges and proper stitch alignment. The number of chains in the turning chain will depend on the stitch you are using. The standard number of stitches in a turning chain for the different stitches are single crochet 1, half double crochet 2, double crochet stitch 3, treble crochet 4, and double treble crochet stitch 5. But the number of chains in a turning chain can also depend on the opinion of the pattern creator. You may find that one pattern tells you to chain 1 if you're doing a half double crochet, and another pattern will tell you to chain 2. The number of chains can also depend on you. You may find that a pattern will tell you to make a turning chain of 3 for a double crochet, like this, but you think the gap is too big. In that case, you might just make a turning chain of 2. As with many things in crochet, there is no right or wrong. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.